Welcome back to my channel, where I provide updates and insights on the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong. I hope you're all doing well, and may God bless you with happiness and prosperity. Let's dive into today's news. Newshound Guru Militiaman highlights the clear signs that Iraq is transitioning towards a more robust private sector. This includes critical steps such as the resumption of oil pipelines, the localization of salaries, and the resolution of contractual issues. All these efforts necessitate an updated and accurate exchange rate that reflects Iraq's true economic potential. These developments are unfolding rapidly, and while there's uncertainty about whether a rate change will occur in the immediate future, the emerging information is increasingly compelling. Similarly, Newshound Guru Jeff emphasizes that delays in implementing the rate change are closely intertwined with developments involving the U.S. government, underscoring the complexities of such economic transformations. Meanwhile, Intel Guru Frank 26 points out that the Iraqi dinar is fundamentally a speculative investment. Any dates or rates discussed are merely opinions and should not be taken as guaranteed outcomes. The dinar is currently being integrated with its basket members, and foreign currencies introduced through contracts are expected to play a significant role in the Middle East currency basket float. This basket is pivotal because the Central Bank of Iraq (CBI) plans to end its currency auctions on December 31st, signaling compliance with Article 8 and removing prior restrictions on the Iraqi dinar internationally. This transition is anticipated to increase the dinar's value as it pairs with other currencies, potentially leading to rapid appreciation. For investors, this scenario presents an exciting yet speculative opportunity. The idea of holding a currency that could skyrocket in value overnight is a dream for many in the currency investment community. A frequent question arises: if the dinar reaches $3.22, should one cash out immediately or hold on for greater gains? Perspectives on this vary, particularly based on an investor's age and financial priorities. For example, an investor nearing 69 years old explained that if the dinar reached $3 and change, he would sell all his holdings. This viewpoint reflects a focus on financial security and stability over extended speculation, especially as retirement looms. Older investors tend to prioritize stability and immediate returns, while younger investors may have the flexibility to take bigger risks and wait for potential further gains. The same investor also emphasized the importance of financial discipline, highlighting a philosophy of using money wisely for growth and reinvestment rather than frivolous spending. This underscores the value of financial stewardship and careful resource management. For those considering investments like the Iraqi dinar, understanding your risk tolerance is vital. How much are you willing to lose if the investment doesn't go as expected? It's also crucial to think about your timeline. Are you investing for the long term, or does your current life situation call for a more conservative approach? Staying informed, following trends, and engaging with discussions about the dinar's potential value are essential for making well-informed financial decisions. Equally important is having a clear exit strategy. What's your plan when the dinar reaches a specific value? Will you sell, reinvest, or use the returns in another way? Answering these questions will help clarify your investment journey and align it with your aspirations. For instance, a 30-year-old investor with time on their side might decide to hold onto their dinar longer, aiming for a higher value of $4 or $5. Conversely, someone nearing retirement may choose to cash out at a secure value like $3.22, prioritizing stability over potential but uncertain future gains. Emotional decision-making is a common pitfall to avoid. When the time comes to cash out, it's important to stick to your plan and not let the excitement of potentially higher returns cloud your judgment. Staying grounded and focused will serve you well in the long run. Shifting focus to recent developments, the CBI has taken decisive action against 49 companies involved in money laundering. Such financial crimes erode trust in the economy and deter investors. The CBI efforts to stabilize Iraq's financial system have been recognized by the International Monetary Fund (IMF), which commended Iraq for its economic progress. These positive developments, coupled with support from Prime Minister Soudani and other officials, highlight Iraq's readiness to integrate into the global economy. This readiness paves the way for increased trade opportunities and partnerships, potentially improving the quality of life for ordinary Iraqis through better products and prices. A stronger exchange rate will allow Iraqis to purchase more with less money, boosting living standards and confidence across various sectors. This, in turn, encourages investment and spending, fostering a stable financial environment conducive to growth. Looking ahead, Iraq's future appears promising if such measures continue. However, staying informed and aligning your investment strategies with your personal goals remains critical. As the CBI continues its currency auctions, Sunday's figures showed sales exceeding $284 million, with transactions conducted at rates of 1,310 IQD per dollar for documentary credits, international settlements, and electronic cards, while cash transactions were exchanged at 1,315 IQD per dollar. Most dollar sales were allocated to bolster balances abroad through transfers and credits, reflecting Iraq's ongoing efforts to stabilize its financial system and integrate further into the global market. These measures signify progress and create opportunities for investors and citizens alike to benefit from Iraq's evolving economic landscape.